Hey guys, we are going to create a free account here. So most of the items are should be filled by you because I don't want to give my actual information here. So I would recommend you to fill it up most of the items over here. This video is very short. So firstly, when you click on create a free account, so you're going to get this pop-up over here saying you to sign up with AWS. So you can type in your email address, which you're going to use for this account. Do remember this is called as a root email address, which is used for recovery in case of any kind of you forgetting your password or anything like that. And this is also an administrative account, which means that you will get 100% access to the AWS console. So which means that modification of your name, your primary email address, your password, your security information, your access to IAM. So this is all very much available only for the root email address. And those are available for only for this email address. So do remember to give a proper email address, which where you are like having a complete control over it. So for me, I'm gonna give beyondcloudai1@gmail.com because beyondcloudai is already there. So gmail.com, and then I'm gonna give account name here beyondcloudai1. Now this is gonna send an email to me, and it's going to verify my email address, and then I just need to give in the verification code here, whatever the verification code which I've got from my email. So I'm just verifying my email right now for the verification code, and I got it. So I'm gonna copy paste this verification number. So it's a verification number for one time. So you're gonna type in a password over here. So this is gonna be your password for this account. So I'm just gonna give a random password here, which I'm not going to tell you what it is, of course. So I'm just typing in the password. So yes, I do have a large password. So it doesn't match actually. So let me just pause the screen. All right, I typed in the password here. Now let's click on next. Now here you need to select what kind of usage you're planning to do with AWS, like a personal project, yes, because this is for learning and development. So here you have the full name, which is Beyond Cloud AI. So here you need to give any kind of a number of your phone number or any kind of address. So I would recommend you to give where you live currently. So if you're located in, let's just say I'm in United Kingdom, and my number is, so this is my number. Let's just say, for example, select the region again as United Kingdom, and then given the line over here, test. So just giving a random number over here and click on next step. So now this is going to enable you to, the phone number should know it's not valid letters. So let's add another 0 over here. Yeah, so let's just give a next step over here. And this is where you need to give in your credit card details. So now this credit card detail should be given by you, and you need to enter the credit card details. So once you have done this step, then it will be going into your bank website. If there is a authentication which needs to be done from your bank website, you need to complete the authentication from bank website. After this step, it will be asking you for to validate yourself, which means that you need to provide your real name and you need to give an ID. Of your driving license or voter ID card. Some countries has this, tax numbers or taxation cards, something like that. So you need to give those detail and then verify yourself. And once that is done, you will get an email notification saying that your account is verified successfully. Immediately you will get it, and then you can start doing or going to the next screen, and next screen would take you to the console. So it will go to console.aws.com. So this is how the account creation process is. I try to show you as much as I can. But beyond this is out of my limits because I already have another account. So that's something I'm going to use. So do fill all in the information, but nothing major right now. Just that your credit card information and to verify yourself as a person or a person. So there may be a question which is asking you whether you are an individual or a company. Make sure you select the right option. If you're here just for learning purpose, then you can select individual because you're here for just for training and understanding purpose. So you can select as individual, and it is for personal use. So likewise, you can select it and then verify yourself, and then go ahead to the next video, which will be continue from the console page. Thank you again for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.